Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Slowly but steadily, it's forming this head and shoulders pattern here. It's coming together. We've been talking about that now for a few days. I mean, all that it needs to do now is to get down to this 26,360 level. Maybe it's getting there. The S&P had another sell-off at the end of the trading day and the trading week. So Bitcoin obviously being a little bit correlated here and there, not always, sometimes joins. I don't even want to call that a sell-off now. It's a small reaction currently to resistance that we are seeing. So anyway, what we have on the chart is still here, this so-called head and shoulders pattern. And as long as the price stays anyway below 27,480, that's the main pivot point up there. The yellow wave count remains the primary wave count, but there are micro pivot points, micro resistances, which are going to tell us that something's off if they break. One of those is, for example, $26,805. So we've got two resistance levels here, 26,700 and 26,805. They are the relevant levels for the fourth wave here. So we say that off this high, the price came down so far only in 3 waves. 1, 2, the third wave still in the making, then a 4 and a 5. One more low is missing to have 5 waves down. I can interpret it in a way that I say, okay, we had 3 waves down after the next low, just a larger degree is finished, or already 5 waves are down. I will assume 5 waves because then we can prepare for a larger retracement to the upside. I just mentioned in the videos, I'm not going to put it on the chart yet, but we have to prepare when the next low is made for potentially a larger retracement to the upside, a larger correction, a larger bounce. I explained to you in the previous video, it could be that if we really break below 26,360, which would be great because it's sort of, the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern, and Bitcoin has reached that micro pivot here, the micro resistance, the ideal target for a fourth wave. If we break below that level, then it could send us down quite swiftly to 25,770. So, and this would be in the 5th wave of the 3rd wave, likely, and then another 4th wave. So, I mean, maybe we get today a little bit more action. Maybe it's selling off from here. It would be great. I mean, the bears now just need to show up. I don't think too much is going to happen. I think we might be stuck in this until maybe Sunday. So obviously what could happen is just a little bit more messing around here. Maybe another spike to the 50% FIB level. BTC likes to do that these days, and then down. And then you have a perfect head and shoulders pattern, right? So a bit of a fake out maybe or something, maybe even overshooting a little bit, I don't know, and then coming down. But this is corrective price action here. It's corrective, and as long as the price stays below 26,800, another swing low is preferred. So and I mean, again, if the price breaks above that level, it doesn't change much. It changes the microstructure, but it does not change the expectation that this is a wave 2, okay? There are other ways how to interpret that. Only above 27,480, I will take the white wave count really, really seriously. It would take us higher. It is the more bullish wave count. It would be a 3rd wave that needs to finish, a 4th and a 5th wave. And these 5 waves should get sort of into this region between 28,540 and 30,400 roughly. And if they do that, and if we get 5 waves up complete, then I have the first piece of evidence that a lasting low has been established on the 11th of September. Then we might want to turn bullish, but it's only the first level of confirmation. Second level of confirmation, which will be more reliable, will be after a pullback in this ABC structure, ABC, that is forming support somewhere here, a higher low. Then we have a so-called 1-2 setup, because the first 5 waves count as a wave 1. The ABC pullback counts as a wave 2. It's a so-called 1-2 setup that can be used to trade the 3rd wave rally. It is the jump off point. It's a setup that will set the price up for a rally in a 3rd wave. But we are not there yet. We're far away from that. Primary scenario for now is the yellow wave count, which should see the price drop further. Nice head and shoulders pattern, but overall just sideways. I explained it in the ETH video that maybe this is forming a huge triangle. That's another option because we're just ranging at the moment. So all I'm doing is to highlight to you, okay, what do we need to see to stay on the right side of the trend, basically in the downtrend. Gave you the relevant pivot points, support levels. They need to break now, of course, and it should follow through to the downside as per the yellow wave count. But all of this could just delay, right? Be delayed. So far, we only have 3 waves down. Nothing stopping the price from forming a large B wave triangle. I mean, this B wave could extend out. A wave of the triangle, B wave of the triangle, C wave of the triangle, maybe now a D wave and another lower high and an E wave and then down. I mean, that's something that's possible, okay? So that's what I mean. The break of the micro resistance level doesn't change much. It could, for example, just form an extension of the triangle, which just makes a lower high and a higher low. And eventually we come down, it just delays everything a bit. But yeah, I hope we go down more directly because it keeps things clear and fast, and we make some progress in the chart. We don't make any progress in the chart if we move sideways in a B wave, okay? It's no progress. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content every single day. And also, if you're interested in the channel membership, on Sunday, we've got our next member live stream. This time, we're going to talk about breakout trading and pullback trading from an Elliott Wave point of view. There's always an educational topic. So basically, it's like a small trading course, actually. Well, it's hours and hours already that we've got in our library. So yeah, maybe you want to check that out. Also, as a channel member, you get access to Discord and Telegram, and you get access to our educational content. Plus, as a gold member, short-term market updates and Elliott Wave signals. So check it out if you're interested, and have a great weekend. See you in the live stream, maybe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.